Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking. Welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking, and today what I'm going to do is show you how I make a quick, easy, and simple way to make chicken pot pie. Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a quick and easy and a real fast way to make chicken pot pie. So I have these Pillsbury Grand flaky biscuits. I took them out of the container. I'll put my oven on 350. I have a 9x13 baking pan. In my pan for the gravy I have 1 cream of chicken soup. It's a 26-ounce can. And in there I also place 1 can of peas, can of carrots, potatoes, and I had some leftover chicken that I diced up. So I just placed it all together in this pot. I heated it up. So I have 8 biscuits. I'll flatten them out. So now I flattened out all 8 biscuits. I'll place my ingredients inside my baking dish. So I took it out of my pot, put it in my baking dish. Now I'll place the biscuits on top. See how simple and easy and quick when you need to make something in a hurry? And the reason why I rolled out the biscuits is it'll take less time for it to cook. I want to make sure that these biscuits are fully cooked on the inside. So now I'll put it in my 350-degree oven and wait till the biscuits turn a nice golden brown. Now I'll check on my chicken pot pie. Oh yeah. So you can see how the biscuits still rose. Looking good. See how quick, simple, and easy this was? Oh yeah, look at how nice those biscuits browned up. So now I'll take it out of the oven. This really smells good. So now I'll put it into our plates and start eating it. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking and watch me make my quick and easy chicken pot pie. Enjoy!